Hi students, so here we go for the exercise problem. The first term of an AP is 5. So the first term of AP is 5 means it denoted by A. A is equal to 5. The last term is 45. Last term we can say either L is equal to 45 or some AN is equal to 45. And the sum is 400. So Sn is given as a 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So we have to find the number of terms means n, we have to find the n, and also we have to find the common difference, right? So let me substitute in the an and let me see what result we will obtain. So an is equal to 45. This we can write as a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 45. We know value of a is a 5. So 5 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 45. N minus 1 into d is equal to 45 minus 5 is 40. Right? So further we cannot simplify this since we have to find the n and d, right? So let me keep it as equation 1. After finding any of the value, we will substitute here. And the another condition is given Sn is equal to 400. So Sn, in the Sn we have the value of n minus 1 into d, right? At least we can substitute there and we can find, right? So Sn we can write as a n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, is given as a 400. Now we can see the n minus 1 into d is there. So instead of in this term we can substitute a 40, right? And the a we can substitute the given 5. So we will get a n value here. So n by 2 into the a is a 5, 5 2s are 10 plus n minus 1 into d is a 40. So is equal to 400. So n by 2 into 50 is equal to 400. So this we can cancel for the 2 times 25, right? And 25 we can bring here and we can divide. So n is equal to 400 by 25. So if you divide, you will get a 60. So n is equal to 60. Now we obtained a n value. So we have next we have to obtain the d value. Just substituting a n value in the equation 1, we will get a d value, right? Substitute n is equal to 16 in 1. We will get 16 minus 1 into d is equal to 40. 16 minus 1 is 15, d is equal to 40. If you divide, I think it will be in the ratio 40 by 15. It's a 5 table 8 by 3, right? So d is equal to 8 by 3 and the common difference is 8 by 3. So here we go for the next problem. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. So we have to find sum of 22 terms of S22 we have to find, and which d is equal to 7. D is given as a 7 and 22nd term is 149. 22nd term, that means A22 is equal to 149. So from this, if we substitute d, we will get an a value. Then we can apply in the S22. So A22 can be written as a plus 21d is equal to 149. If we substitute d here, a plus 21 into 7 is a 147 is equal to 149, right? So if you bring this side, it will be subtraction. So a is equal to 149 minus 147 is a 2. So value of a is equal to 2. Now let me substitute the value of a, d and n in the S22. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we need S22. So S22 is equal to n is a 22 by 2, 2a is a 4 plus n minus 1, 22 minus 1 is 21 into the d value is 7. This we already know, right? So this we can write as a 11. 22 by 2 is 11 and 4 plus 147. So 11 into 4 plus 147 is a 151. If you multiple, we will get an 1661. So S22, the value of S22 is a 1661. So here we go for the next problem. Show that A1, A2, AN are forming an AP where AN is defined as the below. So generally they given as AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. So we have to show that it is in the AP form and also find the sum of the first 15 term in each case. So we have to find that AP and also the sum of the S15 also we have to find. So it is given an is equal to 3 plus 4 1. To obtain the first term, let us substitute 1 here. So a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1 is equal to 4 7. So a1 is equal to 7. So first term we got, right? If we put 2, we will get a second term, because since it is a general, it's given. So a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 2s are 8, so which is equal to 12. Then what about third term? a3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So like that it will goes on, right? So whether it is AP, yes, the difference is same, right? So therefore AP is, they said to show the AP, so we have to write the AP. So first is a 7, and second is a 12, and third is a 15, and it will goes on, right? Since it is, question is also given infinite, so it goes on. So next we have to find the sum of the 15 term. So we have to find a S15. S15 we have to find. So we need a. So a is equal to 7. Then d is equal to 12 minus 7, which is equal to 4, right? And the n is a 15 already is there. Let's substitute in the formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S15 we need 15 by 2 into 2a is a 7, so the 14 plus 15 minus 1 is a 14 into d is a 4. That's it. So 15 by 2, so let me cancel later. 14 plus 14 into 4 is a 56. So I think you can cancel the next step. 15 into 2, 14 plus 56 is a 70. So we can cancel it for a 35 times, and 35 into 15 is a 525. 525. So S15 is equal to 525. So we have found an AP and also sum of the first 15 terms. So here you go for the next problem. If the sum of first n term of AP is 4n minus n square. Previously we saw the term, but here it's given a sum of the first n term. So this is the Sn, right? So Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. What is the first term? That is S1. So we have to find what is the S1. And what is the sum of the first two term? Sum of the first term is just nothing but a S2. So substituting S1 and S2 we can find this. And what is the second term? They are asking a second term. Second term means A2, right? Here is the sum of the first term. Here is the second. They ask only a second term. So it is a A2. And similarly find the third, 10th and nth term. So A3 also we have to find. A10 also we have to find. And An also we have to find. Clear? So first let me find a S1. So S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square is a 1. So 4 ones are 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So S1 is equal to 3. So sum of the first term. So first term, how many terms in the first term? Only one term is there, right? So only one term we added. So this is the first term. So this 3 can also be called as A. So A is equal to 3. It can be also called as A, because we need A to find this A2, A3, A10, all these things, right? So now we found what is the S1. So next we have to find the S2. So S2 is equal to we'll apply here. So given a general term 4n minus n square, that is 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So 4 2s are 8 minus 2s are 4. So which S2 is equal to 4. So we obtain the S2 value also. So next we have to find the A2 value. To find the A2 value we need A and D, right? We already found the value of A, because since the first term is sum of the first term is given as a 3 and the first term is the A we consider, so A is equal to 3. So we need a difference. To know the difference, at least we need a D second term. So we don't have second terms here, but in the S2 formula if we substitute we will get a D. Check what is the S2 formula. It's a 2 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 is 1d is equal to 4, right? Just I applied in the Sn formulas, and 2 by 2 is 1, and instead of a we obtained a 3 that we can substitute, so we will get a d value. So 3 2s are 6 plus d is equal to 4. D is equal to 4 minus 6 is a minus 2. That's it, right? So just the answer will be hidden only along the given data. Just we have to substitute and find it. So next we have to find a A2 and A3 and A10 and AN. So A2 is equal to A plus 1D, right? So A plus D. A is we know 3 and D is minus 2. So which is equal to 1. So A2 is equal to 1. What about A3? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So A is 3 plus 2D means D is a minus 2. So minus 4. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So A3 is equal to minus 1. Okay, next substitute here. So next we have to find a A10. So A10 is equal to A plus 9D, right? So A we know it's a 3 plus 9 into D is a minus 2. 9 into minus is minus 18. So 3 minus 18 is equal to minus 15. So A10 is equal to minus 15. And finally we have to find the AN. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A value? A is 3 plus n minus 1, D is a minus 2. Just multiple in this 2, you will get a 3 plus minus 2n minus into minus plus 2, right? And the 3 plus 2 is 5, plus into minus is minus 2n. So an is equal to 5 minus 2n. That's it. Thank you.